Ahoy, shipmates! Got myself a lovely brand new shiny drone. Look at that. And an accessory kit to go with it. Now, my new shiny drone, this one here, is the Mavic 2 Pro. I had the Mavic Pro before, so I've upgraded in quality. I've also got some spare propellers in case I hit another bird, a couple of spare batteries to make sure I can fill all of those ships, car charger, and a lovely man bag to put it all in. Also, some filters. Now, these will aid the still photography element of my work. There we go, lovely. Anyway, for my first flight, as it happens, the HMM Copenhagen, the second largest container ship in the world, was in port. So I went out for a quick fly. And I must say, my initial impressions are, I like it. There are more controls over the camera. You can control the shutter speed, the aperture, and the ISO all separately now. And there are a couple of modes for recording video that are different. This mode of recording videos is slightly more cropped in, which gives me a zoomed effect, which I really like. It really puts the containers in the container port in proportion with the 400 meter long HMM Copenhagen. As well as shooting with different angles, this drone also shoots in a RAW format for video. And this will allow me to pull more colours out and end up with a better quality of video overall. Also, the throughput of the video is of a higher rate, lending to a better quality. All round better. That was until, at the end of my first flight, I couldn't make a second flight. So, I'm stuck here on the beach, looking at the sea, and people enjoy themselves while I'm lamenting the fact that my drone is broken. The nearest I'm going to get to being up in the air at the moment is going for a ride on the 360i here in Brighton. But my drone is in Holland. Perhaps it's taking pictures of windmills or fields of tulips, or perhaps it's popped into a cafe. And if it had, it might have some scary vision like this. I thought I'd take a quick shot with my thermal camera. And apparently the beach is warm. The water is cool and the sky is cold. But all is not lost, shipmates. I think I've spotted something. It's a boat. How about that, eh? I believe it's a 5 meter Avon with a pair of twin 115 outboards. That looks pretty good to me for, I thought, 40-50 knots, if you're going to hold on tight enough. Well, just waiting to get my drone back, hopefully this week. Until next time, shipmates.